Hey, good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining again. It's Rob, owner of Arizona Collision Center. And today I want to talk to you about a couple of things that are behind the scenes that I think you guys should know. It's not like 5 years ago where as long as the paint, looked good and shiny and the car drove down the road nice and there was no check engine light on the dash, then everything must be repaired correctly, right? Well, unfortunately, that's not the case today. We are literally driving around in a full-blown computer system that just happens to still look pretty and shiny and drive nice. So there's a lot of things that you need to know about. You want to make sure that the repair facility that you choose not only pre, but also post scans your vehicle. We want to let the vehicle know and tell us what's going on with it, the things that we can't see. So that's one really big thing. Another is we've got a lot of different types of materials that these vehicles are being built with, such as aluminum. A lot of the brand new F-Series pickup trucks from Ford, a lot of the vehicles nowadays are starting to come out with these aluminum panels. It's very important that you have the proper repair tools to be able to repair aluminum panels and to be able to do such repairs. The other thing is have the dialogue with your repair facility and let them know all the information. We want to know how many people were in the vehicle, where were those people sitting in the vehicle. There are certain manufacturers out there that state that any time a vehicle's in an accident, that every seatbelt where somebody has been sitting needs to be replaced, whether it's damaged or not. So there's a lot of things to cover. Make sure that you choose a facility that's doing the right thing and that does have all the proper equipment, knowledge, and accessibility to the information out there to ensure that your vehicle is not only looking good again, but it's also safe for you and your family. Thanks again for joining in today, guys. I appreciate it. Have a great day.